Hello, this is Cassandra from Goodman Interior. So today we're going to be doing a house tour on a recently completed unit at Bedok Reservoir. So a little bit of background information on this unit. This is actually a 4-bedder at Waterfront Gold Condominium. So the size is approximately 1,900 square feet and the homeowner spent $95,000 on the home renovation. As you enter into the living area, the lower foyer ceiling accentuates the overall space, making it feel bigger than it already is. It can fit quite a sizable dining table and can sit up to 8 people. So the homeowners actually choose not to have blackout curtains and stick to just day curtains to have the more airy feel and like the softer look. So the area here is very spacious. You can see it can comfortably fit an L-shaped 5-seater sofa, a coffee table, TV console, and there's still a lot of space for you to maneuver around. So the glass doors over here leads us to the balcony, which we'll be touching on later. But let me bring your attention to the main attraction, which is the feature wall. So the main purpose of the feature wall is to hide the cables and also serve as a focal point for the communal area. Typically, people choose to use wood for feature walls, but for this home, our ID intentionally used large format tiles to give a more luxurious look. Before the renovation, there was actually a wall here, but our ID has decided to hack down the walls and change it to a glass panel. And on the opposite side, we also have the tempered glass fixed panel. So the idea of the entire design is to feel like an open kitchen, yet the whole space is enclosed. So for the countertops, we have chosen to go with sintered stone with marble grains, and this has a seamless flow all the way to the backsplash. The good thing about this material, it is heat and stain resistant and super easy to maintain. On top of that, our ID has also chosen to use one whole piece of the material so that there are no joint lines, making it easier to clean and it looks sleek as well. Our designer has also designed this drawer within a drawer. It not only helps you to be able to find smaller items easily as they're all at the top, it also helps to maximize the amount of space as well. So over here, we also have a glass sliding door. The family occasionally does heavy cooking, so this helps to prevent the smell and the grease from going out, making it easier to clean. So this area initially was a wall, but has since been converted to this black see-through display cabinet for the homeowners to display her bags and her shoes. So as an element of fun requested by the homeowner, we actually have the master bathroom door hidden in the built-in cabinet. One thing I've noticed is the wooden tile behind the sink, and I do appreciate the attention to detail. It's small touches like this that helps to enhance the entire space. So the homeowner requested for the Ubik power track. It's an alternative for PowerPoint. You can actually add as many adapters to this, sleek and flexible. Similar to the master bathroom, the junior master bathroom door is concealed and flushed within the wall. So here comes my favorite part of this house. The view overlooks the entire Bedok Reservoir, and the balcony is huge. It spans the entire width of the living area and the rooms. With this amount of space, you can have a lot of flexibility on how you like to utilize the space. For the flooring of the balconies, we chose to use wood look-alike tiles. Compared to wood decking that requires higher maintenance in the long run, these tiles are durable and require less maintenance. Grills are also necessary, especially when there are 2 kids at home for safety purposes. That's why the ID has chosen to use invisible grills, functional yet not at the expense of aesthetics, and you can still enjoy the unobstructed view of Bedok Reservoir. Alright, so that's all for our home tour. If you like what you see or you need help with your home reno, you can contact us here.